This bird, man. Hey, Sam. Coco. Sororola. Chicala. You see that? Not bad, huh? Right. Tasty little treat. Tasty little nugget. Yeah, it was. Look at that. What? Look at that. I know. It was yummy. Kasabada. I know. Check me out, Sam. I'm going to put another piece there. Sammy? Whoa. You going to take it from my hand? Really? Here. That's pretty deep. Go ahead. Tasty little morsel. Just for you, man. Kulamala? Gusta? Okay. I know. I know. I know. I can't help it though. You're pretty awesome. I can't help it. I can't help it spoil you, man. I can't help it. Look at you. I know. You got food in your mouth though, so I think you're good. Right? Who's that? Cassius or somebody? Hola. Cassius. Daddy. What do you think about that? What do you think about what had just transpired, dude? It's pretty awesome. Oh, sorry. That was Wilson. What's he talking about? What's he talking about? Hmm? What's your brother talking about? Hmm? Do you know? Of course you know. What's he saying? What's he saying, dude? Hey! You scared me. To you too. Who you guys talking to like that? Wow, you turned into that crazy. You gonna answer too? You're answering too? Never had a crow so close. I know, I know. I know. What you want, Wilson? Who's he barking at? What's happening? Who's he barking at? What's happening? Come down here, Wilson. Yeah, you on the pulse. I'm talking to you. Come down. Come down. What you doing with the flower, man? What you doing? What you doing with the flower, Sammy? Come, let's give it to Danny. Is that what you're doing? You come to give the flower to Danny? Is that what you're doing? That's Danny behind me. That's Danny at the door. Yeah, I know. She's right. Aw. Oh. I know. You can come down, Wilson. It's okay. Are you going to beat up your brother if he comes down again? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Oh. It's been quite an amazing time out here. Trying not to get him to do stuff like fly here for a piece of meat, which he's done twice already. It's hard not to do it because he's so into it, aren't you? Sammy. Sammy. Oh. Come down here, Wilson. Go, go, go. That's just next door. It's okay. Well, how about this morning? Come down, Wilson. Tell your brother to come down here. That's pretty nice treats, huh? Yeah, I know. Go, 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 go. Hey, where you going? I know. What are you doing to the screen, hose? Well, I'll go get her if you want to see her that bad. You're going to break the window. What do you think, Sammy? Yeah, I know. You're amazing. You are, dude. I believe you. I believe that too. I know. What about your brother, though? What about your brother? Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Wow. Insane in the membrane. Whoa! You scared me, man. You scared me, dude. That scared me. Oh, you gave me a little shock there, dude. I know. I know. Here, come here. Right here. Right there. Here, I'll put it back over here. Here. Here you go, my friend. No, here. Here you go. You don't mind going there, I don't think. There you go, my friend. You scared me. That was quite funny. You scared me, man. It's like, whoa. Gonna jump on me, I thought. Got a little warning.